Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in to this channel. I'm Carl, and I started this journey less than a month ago in an effort to document my journey into the digital marketing space. So thank you for being here, and this is video number 7. To learn more about how I started, please watch video number 1. And I've documented a few of my wins, challenges, frustrations, heartbreaks as I move along in this journey to digital marketing and digital space. So, as I mentioned in the previous videos, I've already completed becoming an Amazon influencer, earning on-site commissions, and that happened in the last few weeks, as well as becoming an affiliate marketer through ClickBank and Digistore. However, I'm still in the process of creating a landing page for the first product that I selected, which I'll create a video specifically for that. On top of that, I've created an Instagram account from 0 to now, I think 100 followers in the last 3 weeks. And slowly but surely, because I know that success doesn't happen overnight. And every single day that I commit to doing the stuff that I wanted to do is a win for me. The next thing that I'd like to talk about today is I opened an Etsy shop. Etsy is an online marketplace where sellers, entrepreneurs, independent merchants can showcase their items, either products that they created on their own or products done by others and procured and shipped by others using your store sort of as an intermediary for that. So that is what I did. I created an Etsy store based on a print-on-demand business model. And how does that even work? So print on demand allows you to sell white label products, things like posters, mugs, or t-shirts with your own unique designs on them. And the designs can be either made by you or created by AI. And once your artwork is uploaded to a product, you can list your products and sell it online right away. But here's the key. You are not actually creating a real product just yet. What you're displaying in your store is just an image of what the product will look like when a customer orders it, right? So the magic of print on demand is that you don't have to handle inventory or upfront costs. So the risks are really low to none, right? And as far as financial investment is concerned, when someone buys your product, that is when the order is fulfilled automatically by Printify, which is the company that I use to produce these print-on-demand products. So only after the purchase do you pay for the item to be printed and shipped directly to the customer, right? So that's the on-demand part, and it eliminates most of the financial risk, as I mentioned, because it allows you to run a business without storing inventory, which was sort of my downfall in my prior life in e-commerce and drop shipping. That's also mentioned in my first video. So since you're not managing production or shipping, you can literally operate everything from your laptop or even your phone. That is mostly passive income, and that is what I am really aiming to accomplish, is to have multiple streams of income, big or small, that produce revenues for me passively in my sleep, right? Others have done it, so why can't I? It's just about stepping outside of my comfort zone, which I did, despite the fact that I've been in healthcare industry for over 30 years, and I've always managed a 9-to-5 job from the beginning of my career. So this is a big step forward for me, something that is not necessarily within my comfort zone, but I'm becoming comfortable with it, especially in creating Instagram Reels. Okay, so going back here, so because it's passive business, it means you can scale it up in whatever way you'd like, when you have the time, and continue earning income while you sleep. So that is really the goal here, right? But in order to be successful in this print-on-demand business model, you need to have a few things. One, you need to have a winning product. Number 2, you need to have a targeted design that connects with your niche. And the third is a digital storefront where customer can buy your products, such as Etsy, and good marketing for these things. So as you can see here, this is my Etsy shop. That is what it's called, Carl Ventures. And these are the products that I'm selling. T-shirts, mugs, as well as digital products that I've mentioned in the prior videos to help guide others who are thinking about going into the digital marketing space and earning income through digital product sales. So that is where I'm at the moment. My hope is in the next few weeks and months, I can provide you with the returns on these investments. And my hope is to really get all of these things going in a very seamless way. As I mentioned, I bought a Digital Wealth Academy course, and part of this course has 30 or so modules of different opportunities in the digital space. And so this is one of them. And I'm here to tell you that with patience, with openness, these are key elements in being successful in this endeavor. This is not for the faint-hearted, and so this is not for the impatient, because you really need to focus in doing this. I do this in my spare time, when I'm done with work, as well as sometimes in between work during my breaks. If I have like 20 minutes to spare, then I do whatever I can. But I don't ever want this to burn me out. And that's the reason why, for as long as I have the joy in doing this, I will continue to do so, because I know that there is potential for a good return on investment in the future. And mind you, a lot of the things that I'm doing now really don't have financial risk, because a lot of these things are sweat equity, using knowledge that I've learned through this Digital Wealth Academy course and implementing it into the real world. I am just so grateful, and I want to celebrate the fact that my Amazon influencer has started to earn on-site commissions. The videos that I've uploaded are generating views and clicks that convert to sales. The second piece is my Instagram page is growing slowly but surely. The Facebook page that I've created for this venture to promote products, whether digital or otherwise, is also up and running. And so these are the things that I didn't know I can do successfully. I have pretty much medium level experience in these things, because as I mentioned, I have a travel channel in YouTube that has close to 4,500 subscribers that I started 2 years ago. I think I did it pretty regularly the beginning of 23. And so I'm really happy that I found this passion in content creation, and on top of that, pairing it with an opportunity to also earn passive income. But my motivation first is the joy in creating content and sharing information and knowledge to you folks. So I hope that you enjoy this, and please watch my other videos if you're curious about starting something like this, or if you're just curious about, what the heck am I doing? So again, I wish you all the best, peace and blessings, and it only takes one step to change the direction of your life, whatever that may be. Think about that. I did it, and so can you. Thanks.